Aquas. I'm here with the man from Dual Fuel. His name is Joseph Bohm. And man, Joseph, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, awesome. So you are from a little city, East Coast?
New York City.
Cool. For our audience who don't know, tell them about what Dual Fuel does.
So Dual Fuel is an integrated contractor. We focus on optimizing heating plants in New York City. We do mechanical service installation in-house, controls in-house, analytics in-house, and energy services in-house.
So you, I suspect, work on a lot of boilers and steam plants and stuff like that?
Yeah, steam is our specialty. About 70% of New York City is heated on steam. So for anything from one-pipe steam, two-pipe steam, steam to hydronic heat exchangers, district steam, and then about 30% is hydronic heating, and more recently, probably air source heat pumps for domestic electrification of domestic hot water.
So I'm curious, man. I think you're the first heating contractor, heating integrator that I've seen at Haystack. What's the interest in Haystack Connect for you guys?
So I came to Haystack Connect in San Diego. One was San Diego. Do you remember that one?
2019, I believe.
2019. So I came to Haystack then. We were looking for an architecture that would work for us. I don't want to be a technology company. I want to use technology to enhance our customers' businesses, enhance my business as well. We wanted something that was open and buildable, expandable. My vision was a lot larger than heating plants. We did a few chillers last year, some packaged units. We did a package of 40 buildings for water monitoring, and the architecture within the Haystack community allowed us to really build something special.
That's so cool, so cool. Describe your ideal customer for our audience.
Our ideal customer is a real estate owner that has a sustainability manager. Once you get to a certain level within real estate, they have a different level of focus and appreciation for guys like me. If they're a smaller player in the real estate market, they might have a controls guy they work with, they might have a service guy that they work with, but they might not appreciate how we bring everything together. So what I found is we're a really good fit for companies that have a sustainability manager because they appreciate not having to call 3 different contractors to coordinate all the work.
Well, believe it or not, Joseph, I'm an old boiler guy myself. I got started with boilers, so it's a little different animal than everything else. So, man, yes. Because the thing about the boilers is they can go boom, boom, and blow up, right?
This is 100% true. You got to be very careful. I could tell you stories off camera about some limits that were jumped when I first started, but we'll save that for another time.
Well, I tell you what, we'll go have a couple beers because I'll tell you about some limits that were jumped too and a couple of little explosions I was involved. I was not the one jumping the limits, but let me tell you something. So what I'm getting at is, obviously, if you got steam, you want somebody that has some experience with boilers, especially if they're big.
100%. It's an art. I mean, to put everything together, from the welders to electricians to the guys in the low voltage to the commissioning engineers to the project. It takes a team. It takes. At the end of the day, I always say our company is really just a bunch of brains put together.
Yeah.
We don't make watches. We don't manufacture anything. We just exponentially increase the value of having 5 people together, 10 people. Now we're up to 80.
Well, you got to tune those suckers too, man. I started out climbing up the stacks, putting the old back rack hand pump in and calling down to the boiler guy, here's the CO's this, the O2's this, you got to adjust this. So, man.
I think you're going to appreciate tomorrow. I'm presenting, and you'll see some data of some boiler optimization. I think you'll like it.
Awesome. Do you go outside New York City, or is it primarily just New York City?
So, New York City metro area for mechanical services. We can do analytics services because I just got to put an edge device in and pull in the points. Nice. But it's, generally speaking, it's New York City.
How do folks get hold of you, Joseph?
It's dualfuelcorp.com, www.dualfuelcorp.com, or you can shoot me an email at jbohm@dualfuelcorp.com.
Well, listen, man, I can still get up a ladder with that back rack if you need somebody to help you tune the boilers up.
All right, be careful what you offer. I might call you.
Nice to meet you, Joseph. Thanks, brother. All right. Well done, man. You knocked out. Hey, come here.
Out into the